Watch how I can play the Halloween theme on D-La. I put my middle finger on D-La on the second fret of the third string, and I play it with my thumb, but I start by lifting up with my index finger on the first string. Try that with me. Ready, go. Try it again, and here we go. After you can do that, you could play that twice in a row, the same exact thing right after another. Try that with me. Ready, go. Try it again, and here we go. After you can do that, we're going to use my index finger and we're going to get it ready to put down on the first fret of the first string. And I'm going to rock back and forth between the first string and the third string. Try that with me. Ready, go. Try it again, and here we go. After you add that to the first phrase, you get the whole first phrase of the Halloween theme. After you've gotten that down, you can switch to the second phrase, which changes keys. You do that by putting your first finger, your index finger, on the third fret of the second string. You're then going to rock back and forth, this time between the second string and the third string, but the rhythm stays the exact same. And then to get that last little bit, you're going to use your middle finger to pop down onto the fourth string. So the whole phrase sounds like this. Try it with me. Here we go. And then you just go right back to the first key. See if you can try that with me. 1, 2, here we go. Now switch. And you can end on a nice D minor chord, La, Do, Mi. Good luck, have fun.